is up, guys? We're in Walmart today. We're gonna do an air horn in the dog food section. So look, we're gonna talk with my friend Jacob is in there from the last video that you guys saw. You guys killed it. But we are pretty much done with the fort. I mean, it looks pretty good. We had to like completely rebuild all of these walls. So I'm gonna get in there right now, and we're gonna get started with the video. Alright, what's up? We're in the fort right now. It's pretty cozy in here. The only entrance that there is right here. Let me see. It's right there. That's where I just came from. And we got some pretty good lighting in here too for videos. And there was a few people walking by, so we're gonna get some good quality content for you guys. And my friend has the air horn. You guys probably can't see it, but it is pretty loud. That was just a test. And I'm gonna put up an ear warning, headphone warning.
That hurt my ears.
Hey, so that is pretty loud.
I barely.
So when there's some people walking by, we're definitely gonna get them.
Alright, so we're here. I got the air horn. I'm probably gonna use it a lot. We're probably gonna empty this by today. There's someone coming.
Our first customer. So the lady just broke our fort. The only bad thing is these don't match these. So if any employees like come to try to restock, they're gonna fix that, and I'm gonna have to duck. But he's good. He's chilling right there.
Well, I still got that right there.
Yeah, I mean he's a little wide open down there as well. But I don't know how well you guys saw that, because I was just trying to duck down because she like exposed all of this. So I had to fix that back. But I'll come back on whenever there's another customer.
You know these are heavy enough to like hold them on here.
And the good thing is we can see people that are back there.
So we got it.
Yeah. So not only we can get people here, we can get people back there.
We're safer on this side anyways.
Yeah, because if we do like over there, no one's gonna notice us because it's the wall and you're not gonna know.
This here we have a chance of getting caught.
Yeah, we may have a chance of getting caught just because I would get caught because of this. Just because it doesn't match like.
Bro, if you get
the
caught, I
rest.
must hide and see how long that lasts.
Yeah, dude, that would be so fun if that actually happened. But like I said earlier, I'm gonna let you guys know whenever there's more people. The bad thing is, the customers are trying to find something very specific, and they're all around us. So I really hope that we don't get caught. I mean, I hope that they're gonna hear us because the dog bags are pretty heavy and it says 31 pounds. So it kind of is a sound buffer, so yeah. That was so loud. Alright, go. Wait. She jumped. Alright, so we're about to leave the store. I hope you guys enjoyed that. But right now, we're going to do a Screeching Intercom prank. Yeah, so basically all you do is just dial the number. Bro, I'm trying to talk. But you just dial the thing, you put it on speaker, and then it'll like screech like really loud. And they have to find the one phone that it is to stop it. So we're about to do that. Smash that like button. they have to find that phone that's going off. Alright, they got it. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Oh my, it's running out. So I hope you guys did enjoy that video. If you did, smack a big fat thumbs up. Ow. But anyways, after I recorded the clip that you guys just last saw, there was an employee that was following me, and he pretty much said, okay, there he is. And so I had to get out of there really fast. Jake, me and him separated, so because all the employees around there saw us together. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in my next video.